guys, and today this is part 2 of the racing game Simulator the final part. Instead, we made it. I made it. I actually made it. Wait, I made it scroll. And yeah, to make another variable named speed x and rename this think of like speed this and then do that and then just copy this code. Feel free to pause the video anytime you want. Sorry I went a bit too ahead, so I'll explain it. So do this, put that in speed x, put this in speed y, and then this. And make sure for the speed boost to multiply by 6. Because 1 second, let me just get to the boosting. I'll pause the recording and unpause it when. And this is a bug already. Set speed X and speed Y. I think this won't work. No way. To 0.93. No, because the clocks are the dot to so two. Look what happens when speaker has a very high number. Look, it just pushes it back. So maybe we'll need to do negative numbers. No, but that one. So let's focus to this. And this. That's literally it for this tutorial. Literally it. No joke. That's literally it. That's it. That's it for this tutorial. Only